Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Bentley Blonde. So I'm in a new spot today because my son is taking a nap, so I'm filming down here in the living room. So I'm sorry if the lighting is a little crazy, but I'm trying to keep it down, even though he's not really sleeping. I'm looking at the monitor right now and he's like having a party in his bed. But in the hopes that he will fall asleep, I'm filming down here today. But I'm really excited about today's video because I have partnered with Fabfitfun to share with you a few of their spring 2018 add-ons. And if you're not familiar with add-ons, they are a flash sale that heavily discounts amazing products through Fabfitfun. They are only available until February 18th, so head right over to fabfitfun.com and reserve yours today because they will sell out, you guys. So I'm going to be sharing some of the amazing spring add-ons that are available for you to add to your box. If you've been to my channel before, then you already know that I absolutely love Fabfitfun. It is a seasonal subscription service, so 4 boxes a year, and their boxes always have full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products, and they retail for $49.99. However, the value of the box is always over $200, so really an amazing deal. And I do have a $10 off coupon code for you guys, which I will put in the description box down below, so you can get $10 off your first box, which is awesome. So highly recommend it. I'm really excited to share the spring box with you here in a few weeks, but today I'm going to be sharing the add-ons. So the first spring add-on that I have to share with you guys is from Zoe Ayla. This is their revolutionary electronic makeup brush cleaner and dryer. Hallelujah! I'm so embarrassed to say that I have washed my makeup brushes basically in the palm of my hand for years. I'll put the brush cleanser in the palm of my hand and just swirl the brush underneath the water. So I am so excited to have an actual electronic makeup brush cleaner. I cannot even tell you guys. It comes with your wash bowl, 8 different collars, so it can fit a number of different sized makeup brushes, which is really nice. Obviously not all makeup brushes are going to be the same size, so there are big ones and smaller ones depending on your brush size. And it also has the brush cleansing device with the spindle on the end, so you just attach the makeup brush holder, stick your makeup brush in this part, and then press your button. Whoa, okay, that's powerful. Press the button and swirl your brush in your brush cleanser and water down here. And the spinning action is going to wash it and then lift it out a little bit higher and dry it. So I'm really excited about this brush cleaner. A great add-on if you're like me and you use makeup brushes every day. So the next spring add-on is this really cute straw hat from Lack of Color. And you can see that mine is black. It also has a black little bow here on the side, which is a cute feminine touch. This is a really cute hat to transition from winter to spring. So that is another add-on option. Oh my gosh, you know that probably messed my hair up. Next add-on is from Crown Pro. This is their 3-piece full face contour set, and these brushes are 100% vegan. And I cannot even tell you guys how excited I am about this add-on because I have been seeing these brushes on YouTube for the longest time, and I never picked any up, so I'm really excited to have a set now because they look amazing, especially for contouring like the sides of your nose and everything. So it comes with 3 of them. They're really, really pretty. They have rose gold handles. Ooh, and they're so soft. Next add-on is from Juice Beauty. I love them. This is their hydrating mist. This is going to tone, refresh, and set your makeup. Ooh, this is really nice. So it's supposed to give you a fresh, radiant complexion. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells exactly like a daffodil. That's what it smells like. That's a true spring scent, but not overpowering. It's really light and fresh. Wow. And it did give me like a more dewy look, which is nice. And Lord knows with how dry my skin is this winter, I need all of the refreshing, hydrating sprays I can get. So this is really nice and a really great sized bottle. Next add-on is from Pixi. This is their sun serum. So this contains a broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen and a protective lip balm. Love a multi-purpose product. So let's take a look at this. And this is really neat, you guys. Great little size to go in your purse. So part of it unscrews, and that is how you get out your sunscreen. So you can apply this to your face before you go out. SPF 30, really great protection. And then here on the end, a separate little screw top, and this is your SPF lip balm. and it's really super soft and moisturizing. Ooh, that's really nice. I love the scent of that one too. All of these products smell very springy, which has got me super excited for warmer weather. The next add-on is from Chlorine. I love this brand's dry shampoo, so I'm excited to try these. This is their Smoothing and Relaxing Eye Contour Patches with Soothing Corn Flour. You guys know my eyes are cray cray. These patches are going to soothe and relax my eyes. So it's gonna be nice after Colton goes to bed tonight and I wash my face. I'm gonna apply my Chlorine eye contour patches and hopefully I'm gonna feel completely soothed and relaxed. And it does come with 7 sachets with 2 contours in each. So that's gonna be really, really nice. Great add-on. Next spring add-on is also a mask. Yes, I see lots of me time ahead. So this is from Patchology. This is their Flash Mask 5-minute facial sheets. It is a milk peel, gentle exfoliating lactic acid and soothing moisturizers, coconut and soy milk. Ooh, looks intriguing, doesn't it? So it says it's going to get rid of redness, dissolve dead cells, smooth and brighten without any irritation, inspired by a top Korean beauty trend. I'm going to refinish and exfoliate my face tonight. So it comes with 4 masks. Really great. Perfect for winter, slough off that dead skin and moisturize the new baby skin underneath. So the next add-on is from Youth Glow. This is their baby face mask with vitamin C and ginkgo biloba. Youth Glow, you have me sold at youth, y'all. And this is going to uplift tired skin and bring back the youthful glow to your face. Yes. So this is another face mask. So a lot of really great face mask choices for add-ons this spring. Because like I said, this is definitely the time of year that you want to start using them, getting all of that dead winter skin off and getting your skin prepped and primed for spring and summer. So I'm really excited to try the baby face mask as well. Next from Bliss, love their brand. This is the Light the Glow Illuminating Gradient Powder Blush in the shade Berry Parfait. Yum, that makes me hungry. Comes in this cute little compact. And, ooh, it has a nice size mirror in it that says, "You glow, girl." And as you can see, the blush is gorgeous. Look at that beautiful gradient, gorgeous ombre pink. So it does go from a light pink all the way almost to like a berry red. Really beautiful. It does have the slightest bit of shimmer, nothing too crazy. Wow, and when you mix the colors all together, it just gives you this beautiful rose tone. Look how gorgeous that is. I can imagine that this would just give you that rosy, just like you came in from the cold kind of flush to your cheeks. So the final spring add-on that I have to share with you guys, I love, and I know that because I actually own this product already. This is the Eau Thermal Avene 50 Plus for face. So I love the little bottle. It's really easy to use, very easy to squeeze out. It has a fine tip. Great to carry in your beach bag, in your purse for on the go. I personally love this face sunscreen because it is not tacky, it's not too thick, it's very light and non-greasy on the face. So I use this all summer long. I definitely recommend picking up the Eau Thermal Avene and putting that in your Fabfitfun box because I'm telling you guys, it's great for spring and summer coming up. So those are all of the Fabfitfun Spring 2018 add-ons that I had to share with you guys. Again, they are available until February 18th and they will sell out, so be sure to head on over there and get yours now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the link below to get $10 off your Fabfitfun box, and I will talk to y'all next time. Bye guys.